Here's a quick breakout session on candle size and momentum. We're looking at a chart of Valero from a recent options report, and it's in the context of a downtrend. So what we see here is, again, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, coming into that known support resistance neighborhood. And let me zoom in on this so you can see this a little bit better. We'll zoom in and rescale that candlestick so we can really get in and see it. And what I want you to notice is that as the price proceeded up, we started out with a nice big green candle, a big green candle. We had a big red candle come in here, and that might have been a reversal signal, but it wasn't quite at that support resistance zone yet. And prices continued higher. We had a green candle, and a big pop. We had a long upper shadow, and then today we got a small candle with a long upper shadow. So what we see in there, again, when we look at that candlestick, is the candlestick is shrinking, and it's nearing that old support resistance zone out here. And of course, it's still moving higher lows. It did make a double top there, but that shrinking candle is a signal that it might be getting ready to turn and slow down. Again, we have to keep an eye on that and wait for the confirmation, but we're seeing a signal candle in about the right context of old support resistance.